awesome. Thank you. All the best. Few seconds, two hands. Okay, where are we back on? Because I don't consider 175 really being tall. Good luck. Oh, thanks for cash hands. Like, Latvia has some of the tallest people, so 175. I smile like a demon. Oh, Joey. Okay. Oh! With a 10x! Ladies and gentlemen, once again for the people in the back, wink, 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 we're about to have a good stuff. Hello. Good things takes time. I always say that, no exception. So this is a cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to have a 10x applied to the whole board there. Are you ready? Let's see, we got 1000x on the board. Everything is gold. It's gonna be good either way, so it cannot go bad here. Cannot. Okay, you'll have to pick your own multiplier out of all these symbols here. I know it can be confusing. Follow your gut feel, third eye, sixth sense, mom's advice, whatever. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Ooh, this could be very good. 1000x is coming your way, guys. Just think about that. 1000x. Where is it? All right, guys. I see you made your decisions. I'm gonna make mine. I'm going for the cacti there. Cactus? Cacti? How do you say that? I'm not a native speaker. I have no clue. Half the time, I think I'm making up words. So, cash hunt. Do we need a little tap for the cash hunt? What do you need? Okay. Come on. No, it didn't help. Someone told me previously that doesn't help. Oh, here we go. What I would get? I would get a 500x, guys. What did you get? 87 of you actually managed to get 1000x. Looking nice. Thanks so much for playing. See you on the next one. Boom. 816,000 winners. Sante, RK, QE, Pickle Rick, and Jojo as well. I remember you, Pickle Rick. I think we talked before.
A bond with a top win, 3,088 euros. A bond actually found the 500x. Nicely done. The bets are closed, and we are ready. Always ready for something else, for something new, for something, you know, exciting. A topslot 550x. I mean, that's a 250x. 250x big ones. And we get a 5. Who has the 5? Who has the 5? 250x, ladies and gentlemen. Congrats to 3,350 winners. LMAG with a top win, 40,000 euros. That's the way you do it on numbers, you know? And you say numbers out like, what is this numbers?